Yes, I don't think we'll be able to stay in the garage this time.
Your fire's gonna be gone very soon. Big tornado?
Look how fast that's going.
Those fish are like running home.
Oh. Microburst, yeah, move.
What is it?
Is this a microburst? This is a microburst, look at that.
Oh!
What was that?
I hit that.
Come on, film that.
Yeah.
I really do.
It's just getting really low.
I got it. I don't see it.
Yeah, look at those sheets of rain over there. Look at that, it's so awesome.
I see it now.
Look at that birdie.
He's not gonna make it.
Holy crap.
Look at that, baby. There's the X.
Oh yeah, that was a funnel cloud we saw down there.
Yeah, it was. It can't hang that low and not be a funnel
No.
cloud.
Oh.
He's gonna lose his tree. Keep on that tree, David.
Keep on the tree.
Oh, flag.
Keep on that tree, David.
Oh, I can feel it out.
Holy crap, it's coming in barrels. Yeah, I'm gonna...
Yeah, we're losing.
The camera's not waterproof.
The shad's gone. Why'd you shut it off?
My camera's soaked.
Dude, this is important. Why'd you shut it off?
Oh. It's gonna go.
This is my van.
No. Too late now.
You win? You win?
You just have to ride it out.
The hurricane.
What's keeping it from breaking? Notice there's no light.
Oh, come on, tree snap.
It's not going to. If it didn't that first time, it's not going to.
I think my camera might die.
It's amazing how the trees can take that much pressure, you know?
I know. Here's the lightning. Oh, look, we already lost a branch.
Yeah, there's some bigger limbs. Oh, shit. I didn't see that one fall.
Yeah, we lost some trees back there.
We're going to have to...
Oh, shit.